no blue is not in her.
Hey ladies, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have a wig from the Red Carpet collection. I think this name has changed now to Main Concept, but the name of the wig we have is Kelly, and the style of this wig is RCP758. I have it in the color 1. It does have Futura fibers. It comes with a deep part hand-tied lace. I'm really liking the style on this. Looks like it's going to be a long unit with some curls on the side. The back just gives you some care instructions on how to tape it down. Obviously, we're not going to be doing that. Not today, girlfriend. So this is the wig. As you can see, it does have that curl on the side, and then it's pretty straight in the back of the unit. It does come with hard lace, ear to ear lace, and it is hard. It got 2 combs in the front, one on the side, well actually both of them on the side of the part, and I'm sorry, one in the back with adjustable straps. It's just your regular wig construction. This is the parting area. I think I am going to go in and pluck it just a teeny bit and probably add some powder to it. All in all, this is a yaki unit, so I think I'm going to really like it. So let's get her on. And as you can see, this is the wig on, and I'm just trying to adjust it. I've already plucked the part and everything, and I've already cut the lace off. You know, I don't use the comb, so I have to get it situated the way that I want it before I add my pins. As you can see, this wig is real nice. I like it. It is very thick, but it gives you that full head of hair look. So I'm going to sit it slightly behind my hairline on one side, and then I'm going to start to comb it out and just start finger combing it. I'm going to shape it with the comb and just my fingers, taking a little bit of my edges out. Y'all know my edges look rough. Don't come for me. Don't come for me. You know these edges be looking so rough. Gosh, I don't know. I need to get it together. Anyway, I'm going to go through and just comb it out, just finger comb it. This unit is pretty easy to manage. I think over time you probably have a little bit of problems with it, but as for right now, fresh out, she's beautiful, gorgeous. I really like her. I'm going to probably go in with some spray and take care of that bang. Y'all know I love a bang. So I'm going to take care of that bang, and then after I finish, you know, taking care of the bang, then I think I'm going to go in and clean up the part once I get it situated where I want it. Now the powder that I'm using today is my Revolution powder, and I'm just going to put a little bit of that into the hairline and just kind of bring it all together. I only plucked a little bit of it in the front. I didn't pluck the whole entire length of the part, just a little bit in the front. Okay, this is the final look for Miss Kelly, and as I mentioned, this is a wig that I ended up picking up from my local BSS Beauty Depot, and they have a huge selection of wigs. They do have a lot of newer wigs. They have lace front wigs. They have anything you would want. They pretty much have something for you in the store. So this wig I ended up picking up over there, and like I said, this one is really cute. Let me give you ladies a 360. This is all the hair to the front. It comes with plenty of body and everything. Now it's a yaki unit, so over time it may lose that, but and you can just straighten it. But for right now, when it comes fresh out of the pack, it comes with lots and lots of body. This is this side. Long it is. And this is the back. And then this side. So let's go through the wig a little bit. So the first thing we'll go through is the cons. There are a couple cons. One con I will tell you right away is going to be the parting area. Now the parting area does come with this deep part, and I only say it as a con because I think I had to clean it out just a little bit, and I probably could have put a little bit more, and I probably could have put a little bit more of my powder in there if you don't want to have to clean it out, and you see that makes it a little bit better. Second thing is it's a little bit rounded in the front, so you could go in here and cut a couple of baby hairs just right up in here to kind of slick that back like that,
to give you that kind of a look, to fix that. The third thing is going to be the hair texture is very yucky. If you ever had the wig Nisha, it kind of gives me that Nisha feel. Now Nisha was, I'm not sure what company that was by, if that was Outre or Sensational. But anyway, Nisha was a very, very popular wig here on YouTube. And I don't know if I reviewed that wig. I'm not really sure. But if I can find a review or remember, I will link it below. But this one kind of, the texture reminds me of Nisha. Now, I'll tell you that Nisha was very thick. This is thick. This is a thick texture. It gives you like a full sew-in. It gives you a full head of bundles. It gives you just a full look. So if you're looking for fullness, then you're going to like it. If you're not going to like it. Another thing that may be a con for some people is you get this curl in the front, but then as it gets to the back, it's straight. So it kind of just has that curl at the tip. So I think it's fine because of the way it falls. I'm going to try to let you see it. I think it's fine because of the way it falls, but it goes like straight back here. You only get the curl on like the side, but you can always go in because I think it is heat safe. So yeah, it says Futura fibers, so it should be heat safe. You don't even have to probably make it too hot, but let me see, maybe. So it should be heat safe. It is. It says heat safe, so it's heat safe up to, it doesn't give the degrees, but I wouldn't go no more than like 300. 300 degrees, just to put a little heat on it. Or you could do the hot water method and put some rollers in it and like dip it in hot water, and you could get some curls at the bottom if you wanted more and more curls. But otherwise, I think those are my cons. Now, pros to this unit is, for me, especially fresh out, this is my initial review, I love it because this hair is bouncy. I love the wave in the front. I love the length. Now, the length, it does come a little long on me. It sits at mid part of my back. So I would say this has to be about 24 inches. The longest piece is 24 inches. I like the way that the curl goes. If I wanted to, I would consider maybe adding something in here. But to me, the way the hair looks, it is a pro for me. I'm glad that the part wasn't so bad that I couldn't fix it. Because, the parting area, once I fixed it, I like that. I like the texture of this hair. I like the shine. It looks real natural. It's not too shiny. You don't have to add any dry shampoo or anything to it. I think that the wig is really nice. Now, this isn't probably an everyday wig. Over time, like I said, it is a yucky wig and it is synthetic. So over time, you are going to have to do certain things to manipulate it. Now, I don't know if you put heat on it, if it'll change the texture, make it just a little bit more silky. It may do that. So you may just want to, like I said, use the use your hot water method, where you take the rollers and you put it in there and you dip it in hot water and get the curl that way. That generally doesn't change the texture. But if you run into where it gets old, I would see this being a unit that I would just straight up flat iron. I would just flat iron it and just wear it like that. But just as it is out the pack, it's gorgeous. I absolutely love it. I think that that it'll only get better in time. And if I remember now, I think one of my niches, I ended up flat ironing and it came out beautiful. Shocked me. And I'll have to see if I can find that review. Beautiful. So I think that all in all, this is a good wig to get. Now, I got this wig, like I said, from Beauty Depot, very reasonably priced. I think it may have been on sale for like maybe $19. And y'all, $19 for all this hair and all this fabulousness, I think that you can't beat that. You just can't. So if you ladies are interested in getting this unit locally, I will leave the information. If I can find something online, I will also leave that for you ladies that do not live local. Do not to subscribe to the channel. I bring videos a couple times a week. And if you decide to share this video or any of my videos on your social media, don't forget to tag me in it. See you guys later. Bye.